Alright, here is a quick video in which we are going to attempt to capture the sound of this Magnaflow muffler. This is a busy street, so man, I hope this doesn't suck. But here is the muffler, well, the tailpipe. Let's see, let's get a picture of, or a shot of what the muffler actually looks like. There it is right there. It's a 3-chamber Magnaflow stainless steel. It was only about 75 bucks. So let's see if we can try to capture the sound on warm up here. So it has a nice rumble at on warm up. It's kind of deep, not too loud. That's why I wanted the 3-chamber. Here, we can try putting it on the audio. The exhaust system is otherwise totally stock, just swapped out the muffler. It's a hot day, so it's idling pretty low. So it would be a little louder on a cold day. Alright, I think we're going to take it on a little test drive and see how it sounds on the inside. See what we can do about capturing that sound. At idle, you can barely even hear this thing. Nice and quiet. Alright, we're going to try to get some better quality sound on the microphone, and I finally have the camera on, so that helps. But here you go. Car is already warmed up, the 97 4Runner. And that's 3.4 liter. So let's see what it sounds like at idle and a little revving. Hopefully that's helpful, and I hope I positioned the microphone in a good spot.